Ls1 gearbox removal from Commodore, part 2. So we're still doing this mission of a job. So like I was saying yesterday, you can see the spanner on there now. Spanner there. So yeah, get these two bell housing bolts here. There's another third one at the top if you reach your hand right through, like I said. Ratchet spanners are better, but you may need a longer one like that just to crack it to start with. Then get your ratchet spanners on there. Since we were messing around yesterday, as you can see, tail shaft is now out, sitting on the exhaust, which I had to also drop. So I had to drop the exhaust off all of its rubber hangers, rest it down, just got something under the back there so she's a bit supported. Drop the tail shaft down. Pull the tail shaft out of the back of the box. And because the exhaust is all supported, I can just slide him back, sit the tail shaft there out of the way. There's the cross member on the ground, so we unbolted him from up there, took out the mount as well, so that gives you more room. So yeah, cross member and mount are sitting there. So drop the cross member out, then unbolt the mount because it gives you more room, because it's got these weird bracket thing hanging off all the way to the edge there, see, for the exhaust. Get all that out of the way. Jack is now on the stand. Chini's now on the stand. I've lowered it down enough, but before I could lower it down, I couldn't get the clearance that I needed until I dropped out this bolt and the other bolt on the steering rack. Steering rack had to get dropped, and as you can see, it's popped out of its little spot and moved back and down slightly, which gave me enough clearance to drop the box down enough to be able to get, that's right, that socket extension and knuckle all set up like that on a straight bar, coming from behind the box there. Yep. Jack handle on the end of the straight bar. Extensions all the way up into there. So you can't do that until you drop the box down. And I finally got to crack him. So that one is now loose. I'm just in the process of undoing it. Transmission lines also, which are right up there. Enough to be able to get you guys in there. Anyway, you can see the extension bar there. So the transmission lines go up there. It's not focusing, of course. See how hard it is to get the camera in there, so imagine getting your arm in there.